Try that out. Here I am, Friday, August 3rd, 2018. Mesh grow bags. I'm not going to do too much here. I probably don't even need gloves. What I'm going to do is put a feeder in here. I got my smoker going. I probably don't even need that, but I figured. And I know there's nothing up in the top here, so I'm just going to yank this whole super right off of there. Set that down. And I want to pull this up. Take a look. Yeah, we got a couple hive beetles over there. We're going to have to squish those. Out of the way, bee. Man, it gets a bunch of them in there. As soon as the bees get out of the way, I can smash the little boogers. Get them off of there. So yeah, there's about 8 or 10 maybe. Make sure I got them all. Alright. Bees, man, I got enough slot in here. I got a space where I can put them. They're not working on any of this. Got them a little upset over there. Sometimes a little smoke goes a long way. I might got this open, might as well take a little peek in there just to see what's going on. Everybody's busy. They're working on that one comb in there that I kind of separated. It was stuck between these two. Let's see if we can get a shot down in there. Man, they are busy, busy. I'm going to look a little more. See if I can balance this up here again. Alright, they got this little comb, but they're not doing too much to that. 2 little combs on there. Take a look down in here for the hive beetle activity. There's one down there. Die, you little bastard. Alright, he's gone. There's another one. Oh man, that's not good. They're on these frames here. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see any in there. I gotta maybe pull out my case, my jewel cases here, and rebait them. I don't know why I'm getting so many beetles up in the top there. We can see down in there a little bit of that action going on. They're busy building that. And yeah, they got 2 combs hanging on that bar, 2x4. You get a little more smoke going over here. Little smoke goes a long way. If you got none, you're ooh, whole bunch just fell off of there. Easy. Now we got a kind of a double comb there going on. I've never seen hive beetle, you bastard. Got him. So, yeah, I killed a dozen hive beetles in there. I don't see any hive beetles in the bottom. Is that one there? Oh, that was one there. Got him. Oh, there's one down there. I guess we can just take this out. Turn that upside down. That one doesn't matter. Dropped a hive beetle down there. I want to get all the hive beetles out that I can. Uh-oh. Got a squished bee there. That's not good. Kind of upsetting the work crew here a little. Make sure I don't run out of fuel in my smoker. Whoa, that's a pretty full comb there. They got that all the way to the bottom. There's a hive beetle on the outside trying to come up over there. Maybe crawled off of that frame. So yeah, that's why I want to get them out of this box, and I should maybe try to pull these out. These bar slash frames that I got in here, and try to drop them into my hive box. Swap this out, get a better, more beetle proof bottom. I don't know where that other one went. It seems like my jewel cases have enough bait and stuff left in there. Kind of trying to look for the queen down in there, but I am not. I'm not seeing her. They got three rows of comb on there. A little cluster down there right on the tip. They're not moving at all. They're like locked down on there. I don't know if there's a queen in there or... I don't want to... I don't want to rile them up or squish any. Man, I got this one frame over here where they have kind of started a comb on the outside. It was one that was in there, it fell off of the... They started drawing out comb a little bit on there, but it's... Man, don't see a queen anywhere. It would be nice if I could push this. Oops. Bar down just a little. That might do it there. Alright, let me put all this back. Get a little space between them now. And that one was in that way. Oh wait, I had another one in. Maybe I'll push that one back over. See if we can get them working on those again. And then there's the feeder. Made in USA too, I must say. I was happy to see that. Patent pending. It's a Motherlode Products, 1-800-657-9876, made in USA, says right there on the top. Whoa! Almost dropped my camera. There, good shot of it. And that's gonna be about it. I just gotta drop a beetle free frame in here on the other side. And I think that'll about do it. Give these guys a drop or two of stuff around so they can kind of get the idea. It's in there. Alright, and that's it. Cut. Feeding stimulant tastes good. Alright, one other thing I'm doing here, I've done today, the never wet trick. Every time I've taken this top off, there's been beetles up on here. I've never seen them on the comb, or I saw a few on the outer frames today. So what I did was I put the never wet in here, and I didn't give it a whole lot of time to dry because I got to get out of here today, but I brushed it off to get any of the residue off of there. Got a lot of propolis around. So I'm going to try the never wet trick and see if the next time I take this out of here and see whether there's, whoops, I put a beetle blaster in here too. Got a little extra oil on there. There seemed to be having a problem with that. Looks like they like it. They're jumping in it. It's sunflower oil, so they might be attracted. Maybe that's not a good idea, but well, it's all an experiment. So we got everything back in there. We got our feeder in. We got a beetle blaster. My smoker has gone out almost. There it goes. There's a little smudge left in there. Or is that just ash? I think that's ash. So we'll just set our top back on there carefully. No crunching, that's good. This thing is like really tippy. I think it's picking up a little weight on the back side there, so as they're building, it's getting a little heavier on the back corner. extra little roof there to keep it dry because we got so much rain. So that's it. Set up my game cam here again. Even that up cut.